Hello everyone, it's the Slot Town Stretcher from Sylvester, Georgia. We about to have bad weather down here, so it was an early day for me. So I'm doing a little quick, little $14 section. I got a $5 Georgia Giant Jumbo book, ticket 10. I got a 15 times the money exclusive, ticket 62. I got a $2 jumbo book, ticket 29. I got a 10 times the money, $2 ticket, ticket 71. And I got also $2 ticket, number stretch, ticket 211. And I got ticket 270 on the big. So I'm see what I can do right here, man. And also, man, I want to give thanks to my baby girl Maya. She made a little sign for me, the Slot Town Stretcher. Peace, love, and money. With the worth kind of round color. And she did the Georgia Bulldog, black and red. But we're gonna jump out to this thing. My winning numbers are, we got a 4, 3, 14, got a 1, 8, and a 15. No win on that ticket. Moving right along to the dollar. The big went up to 20,270 is the ticket number. You get the big symbol, instant win 5 times the prize and match your win number. So it's very simple. Got a 14, 15, 2, 4, 17, and an 8. No luck. Move right along to the $2, 10 times the money. Ticket 71. Win numbers are 18. Got 11. My numbers are 12, 9, 25, 13, 2, 28, 29, and 27. I thought about the mountain stretcher. She said she was rolling back to back on the 10 times. She was getting 10 times similar, so I thought about her when I bought that. But I'm going to go to this old school, the Jumbo Book Classic, ticket 29. Serial numbers are 16 and 21. I got 18, a 20, 22, 12, 13, got 27, 15, 28, 25, and a 30. No luck going on that. Move right along to the $3 ticket. Gonna do a little something with the 15 times the money. Win numbers are 7, 6, and 11. Got a 5, 16, 13, 19, got a 1, got an 8, got a 20, got a 2, got a 10, 14, 18, and we got a 12. No winning there, but anybody new with these tickets, it's the 15 times the money exclusive. $3 ticket, you get the 15 symbol, instantly win 15 the prize. Get the coin symbol, instantly win 50. And get the dollar bill symbol, instantly win all 12 prizes, which we have either or. So we're going to move right along to the Georgia Jumbo Buck $5 ticket, ticket 10. Win numbers are 31, 36, 6, and a 28. Got a 34, got a 19, got a 7, got a 17, got a 30, 1 on, got a 16, 37, 15, a 39, 13, 5, got a 10, same as the ticket number. No luck, got a 4, 23, and a 14. No luck. So hey, this is Slot Town Stretcher from Sylvester, Georgia. That was a $14 little session. No luck. That's how it is in lottery, man. I want to give thanks to my baby girl Maya for making this nice little poster for her dad. Hey, I want to wish you peace, love, and money. This is Slot Town Stretcher. Keep it rolling, keep it up, and don't let no one change your life. Until then, see you next time.